Welcome to a demonstration of the Cool Touch microwave bowl. The Cool Touch microwave bowl consists of a ceramic bowl and a plastic bowl and a plastic cover. It's just, you can see there is some mushroom inside this bowl and water, and I'm going to put this inside the plastic bowl. This is the plastic bowl and this is the ceramic bowl. I put the ceramic bowl inside the plastic bowl, then I put a paper towel on top of the bowl, and then I put the plastic cover on top of the paper towel. Then I put the whole thing inside the microwave, and I let it get reheated for about 2 minutes. I'll show you what happened after it got reheated. I had a bowl of breaded chicken with a little bit of water, which I reheated about a few minutes ago, and the ceramic bowl got hot, became hot, and the plastic bowl stayed cool. The plastic bowl stayed cool. The paper towel got soaked with the steam coming from the food. The plastic cover became also somewhat hot, but you can avoid touching it because of you can touch the plastic bowl and carry it take it out from the microwave without touching this. That's all. Thank you for watching.